My gardening family, today is a very special day in the garden because I am going to harvest my very first dragon fruit. Yes, I am super excited and I'm so happy to share this with you. Not only will be harvesting the very first, we'll be tasting it together and we'll be finding out how it looks inside together, because I have no idea what variety it is. If it is red inside, purple, white, I don't know, whatever it is, I'm sure we'll appreciate our dragon fruit, right? As a matter of fact, I think we're going to try two today because we have two obviously different varieties. Oh my word, I am so excited. This one that you're looking at right here, it actually looks different from the one that is up there to the top. I'm pretty sure you can see it. So how to tell that your dragon fruit is actually ready to be harvested? Of course, we're going to get into that. And we're getting more dragon fruit, so let's take a closer look. All right, so we have this one. We have this little one right here. This one, you can see it's not so big. There's another one right here. And just look at this fluffy diva. This one is so beautiful. This one was actually there. It fell off before I could get it. So yeah, we have a little harvesting to do. And this one was the one I was showing you earlier, that it is much different from the one that I was sitting beside. So we're going to cut this one open as well. And here, I was telling you, we're getting new dragon fruits. More dragon fruits loading. And there's another one right here. And there's one right here. So we have another night patrol. That one right there. This one, nice size. Don't start to ripen as yet. There's one right here. And there's another right here. Yeah. Alright, so this one right here that we're about to harvest, it is wet because I just washed it off with some water because of the ants. I didn't want it to fall off, so I'm still going to have to wash off ants that are still lingering. Alright, so this one here. How to tell that your dragon fruit is actually ready to be harvested? Now, at the front right here, it's called the bracts. It starts to literally crack. Right, so the front right here starts to crack. The dragon fruit itself starts to feel soft, right? And then right here on the stem, if you do like this, you can see that it is moving quite freely. So it is actually very easy to come off right now. It's not firm at all. If I was applying force, yes, it will just fall right off. Yeah, so let's get it. I know you all are excited as I am. But quickly, before I get this dragon fruit, comment quickly what color you think it's going to be inside. So yeah. Stacey, cut that out. Let's get to it. Alright, so one little spin like that. And it's anyways, so let's wash it off a bit more. open. What's inside? What is inside? Oh. Wow! Guys! Oh my god! This is purple! Oh! 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 Guys! This is purple! Oh! Oh! Just wow! Just wow! This is such a pleasant surprise! Oh! Oh! This is just a pleasant surprise! Look at that! Wow! Honestly, I was thinking pink or white. I'm going to be honest with you, not purple. Is it purple though? Or is it pink? Technically, the flesh is a vibrant magenta, often called purple. The thing is now, let's see if this is actually sweet. No, that's the real test right here. But let me give you a close-up. So there we go, guys. That's it inside. Yay! So, time to taste. Alright, so I am going to cut right here. Again, like so. Anyways, I know, Stacey, let's get to it. No way! No way! No way! Mm-mm. Mm-hmm. 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 Mm-mm. Guys, it is sweet. It is sweet. No, for me, all the dragon fruits I've ever had in my life, they have been bland. Absolutely bland. But this baby, it is sweet. I want to cry. Thank you, Jesus. I am loving this. I am absolutely loving this. And you know what? Not me alone going to enjoy these, You see this right here that you're looking at is probably going to cut. I'm going to get 6 pieces from this. And I'm probably going to try to get another 6 pieces from that other one because so many people to taste them. Oh my word. This is fabulous. I'm loving it. But anyways, let's get to the next one. Let's get it together. All right, I'm together. Let's go. So if you notice, this one is actually pink. Very light pink, right? Some of you who knows a lot more than I do about dragon fruit would have already been able to tell the variety of what this one is. So for those of us who don't know, let's find out right now. So let's get it, guys. Nice. Yay. So let's get straight to it. All right, let me wash it off. All right, so that should do the trick. Not entirely, you know, but oh, let me just pick off these two. So again, before I cut into this, drop in the comments what you think inside the second one will be. All right, so let's get into it right now. Alrighty, so I got a peep. I'm not going to lie to you, I got a peep. Alright, are you ready? Ta-da! So this is actually white inside. A girl is so excited. I am so excited. So we are already identifying different varieties. So for my dragon fruits experts, Calibro J, come to the front of the line, please. And I have to big him up again. He's the one who gave me just one less all of these cuttings. All right, he's there in California. Calibro J, check him out and tell him thanks for Stacey. All right, so yeah, big up yourself. Big up yourself, my brother. Love you loads. Thank you so much again. All right, so yeah, let's taste this one now and let's see out of the two which one is actually sweeter to me. All right, so yeah. Oh my word, I am so excited and I'm super elated to share this excitement with you, especially it's my birthday month. Yay! Alrighty, so let's see what's going on for this one. Guys, so good. You know what strikes me the most is that I am not getting the bland taste that I'm used to. These are actually sweet for dragon fruits. They're not the sweetest fruits, I must say, but for dragon fruits, if you know, you know. All right, so this just, it's really deep. Like, I feel so proud, I feel so good. I can't wait to share. I can't wait to share with my friends and family because I know they are going to enjoy them. I am super elated. This is so exciting. All right, so in my opinion, the purple flesh one is actually sweeter. And I think this one, it looks like it's actually a different variety as well. So I feel super blessed. Of course, we're going to taste all of them together. Yeah, together. Anyways, let's get the others. All right, so let's get this one first. And then this one. And let me just take up this one that harvested itself. So let's cut them open. Yeah, so let me just wash them off. am just so excited, guys. So let's see. This one, small but still grateful. I assumed right. Let's see the other two. Yeah, this is the same thing inside. So this one, no, this was on a different stem, but let's see. This one looks more purpley, but it's the same. So comment below and tell me if you'd want to try both varieties or just one variety, and if one, which one. All right, so thank you so much for watching, and until next time, walk good. Come garden with me.